nice trails there. I'm trying to hit my head on the trees. Oh, that's good. That was fun.
Good that, weren't
Have you got a moose in yours?
But yeah, I give that, I blipped it, paced it, and I was like,
yeah.
Oh, shit, but the thing is, I reckon with them ones, as long as you're in the body position and you keep your throttle smooth, you just float it on.
Yeah, I didn't like it, there's just no landing room. Anything go filming each other until someone killed themselves. You just know that's happening. Oh my god.
Like fucking, after them doubles.
Yeah. Yeah, you did a good job there, Shane. Team Circle! Stuck in the woods there. Yes, lad. It don't look too bad, but West, baby, is in the wild, wild west. Midwest, living your best. It don't look steep, right? You wouldn't want to walk down it. Fucking hell, Dad, that was steep. I'm a Red Bull athlete, and it's demanding all my skills. Oh, sorry, Lar. Space is your friend, Dad. Oh, fuck, I've gone the wrong way. I'm going to go down that steep one into the car park, I think. No great shapes, nothing too crazy, apart from a sheer hill. Now, I've been watching Midwest videos. The guy's a legend, super good rider, and what a lovely lad, so welcoming, and I'm just having the best time. So he knows all the little cut-throughs, all the sneaky little routes. You just got to get a bit of luck with the guys in front. If they're stopping and starting, you have to too. Little ripper, king ripper, big lad ripper. That log is psyching you out. People are seeing the log, they're having a log panic. It's lovely grip, isn't it? Yeah, it's lovely. Not too many revvers. Just wipe the lens of the dust. Oh, is it really? Is it on? Midwest filming the camera. Fuck that. You going, Monty? I got this. I got this. Oh, Dad, I can't stop. I got my foot down.
That was sick.
Big sender. I thought I was going to go straight through that jump. Never mind.
I've been wanting to do that all the way up water down.
Well, I thought that's what you did, didn't you? Did you land about there?
No, about there.
Yeah. I just got off balance on the landing.
Roll it right back and go again.
Would you?
Yeah.
Okay, Dad.
Because then you've got momentum right up.
Yeah, he's the trainer.
Don't let it too hard.
Oh, sorry about that, Dan. fuck me. So I popped it and lifted it. I feel like a misfit. It's exciting, that, isn't it? It don't look very steep, Dad, but it's bloody vertical. 17 Enduros superstars. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. ¿Dónde está Mario? Mario, ¿dónde bueno? Bueno, bueno. Oh, no messing for Marvis. Straight in, bosh. Oh, so exciting. Yeah.
Is he past them all?
All right, mate. Dropping in. Big senders. Whoa, ho, ho. Sorry, Dad. No dabs, no dabbing. It don't look nothing in here. They're deep ruts, Dad. This is Midwest in his home habitat. This looks easy, right? Really not easy. It's very, very tricky, Dad. Very, very. It's a radding on the clutch, no dabbles. You don't want to go down there, Dad. Sorry. Don't go in there, Dad. Midwest, what's the tricks around here, brother?
What's going on?
I don't know, they're bog hopping or something.
Bogged down to the engine.
Bogged down in. Let's get round there, lads, so we can see what they're doing. What do you reckon, lad?
Lad, I personally, yeah. See where his feet are?
Yeah.
I want to stick to the right. They're saying go that way and all that lad stuff. But
Yeah.
that, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to hammer it in second gear from here and lift the clutch and just see how far you can get
Yeah.
over it. Other than that, when I'm over the There's a big hole there.
Top of the world, baby! These boys keep tight, no switching sides. Yes, la. West Kirby on top of the world, lads. Fucking belters. Absolute blinding that.
You could definitely get a commentary job.
Look at this, man. It's living the best dream. Living your best life. Thanks for bringing us.
So you got to do is jump.
Yeah. I got my parachute on. Are you doing it free fall?
I'd love to.
Skills. I'll give you a push. Little pull. Go on, Dad.